How to contact Southwest support. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can contact Southwest support. So let's get right into the tutorial. All right, the first step is to sign in into your Southwest account, just like I have done here. And then having signed in, the next step is to scroll down to the last part of the page where you can see the option need help center. So just click on help center. So the help center is a center where you can get answers to your concerns, your inquiries, your questions, and all of that. So on this is the help centers page. On this page, you can see some options: planning and booking, getting ready, day of travel, cancellations or significant delays. So these are the topics available. And then if your questions fall under any of these, you can go ahead and ask. Or you can decide to just search out a topic. Maybe you cannot find your category here. You can search out a topic here. And also additional topics. You can check out these topics for your answer. So the way if you are looking for a number, maybe you want to call the customer support, the major way is by selecting one of these topics. All right, you would have to select the topic, so because the contacts would be related or will be give you answers based on the topic that you selected. All right, so now this is I selected the topic, getting ready, and so I'll just go and select I want to check in and get my boarding position, for example. So as you can see this, you can see the instruction. If you've read through and you still do not understand, you can just scroll down and then you will see the option need more assistance, find the best way to get in touch with us. So just click on this drop down arrow, and then you would see the phone number. So you can just copy this phone number and then call the number, relay your concerns, and answers will be provided for you with immediate effects. Another thing is by chatting with the virtual agent by clicking on the chat icon, which is located by the lower right corner of the screen. So when you click on a chat icon, a chat box will be displayed, and then you can chat with the virtual agent to get answers to your questions. So that is it. I hope this is clear and this has really helped you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.